Hello everyone, let us talk maskandi lyrics. Bhuti UMenzi. Wena ufika namagqubu othando lakudala. Bakuthanda abanye, bakona abanye. Awuyekele ukufika nakho. So pretty much this means othandeni olusha senza izinto zakhona. Othandeni olusha senza izinto ezintsha. You don't expect ukuthi your new relationship is gonna have or it's gonna do the same thing that your last relationship was doing. Amathanda akudala shouldn't show up in your new relationship. You shouldn't expect ama love languages a relationship endala from your current relationship. And you shouldn't expect ukuthi lo muntu osujola naye manje umenza ukuthi kushuthi kuchaza ukuthi because your ex-partner would do this meaning this. Like, we should learn to treat our relationships amasha as new relationships, and we should learn to treat new people in our lives as new people in our lives and stop holding them to a standard that used to make sense with our old partners. Bhuti UMenzi.